welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing this makeup look right here, very fall autumn inspired. It is officially sweater weather. Wow, that's such a nice word, sweater weather. I'm in my sweater. I just have brought my coffee and it is all autumn, falls, leaves, vibes. Autumn's, falls, leaves, vibes. Well, that doesn't make sense, but you know what I mean. I'm just living for this weather. I so wanted to do this look on my channel. If this is your first time, thank you so much for stopping by. I plan to make some really good content, makeup, beauty, lifestyle, all that jazz. If you do like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. That would mean a lot. And let's jump into the makeup tutorial. Like scented candles all around your house, Netflix and chill, warm cozy sweaters. So my vibe, it's all fall vibes. It's raining, although I thought it would be dry today in London, so I could just do a mini photo shoot back in my garden, but that doesn't seem to be my case today. Let's get started. I've just washed my face. I'm just gonna prime my lips. I'm just gonna start with doing my eyes first. So I'm just gonna prime my lids. Sometimes I would just do my base first. I don't know what I'm gonna do honestly with my eyes. Like, I know I have these amazing shades in front of me which I definitely want to play with, but I don't know if it's gonna turn out a dramatic eye look or more wearable everyday. Well, I don't mind wearing dramatic eye look even on an everyday basis. I've just prepped my eyelids. Concealer I've used is a Bobbi Brown and it is the Instant Full Cover Concealer. Amazing. And this is the shade Warm Natural, just to cancel out any veins popping through. Just gonna use this brush. You can use any big fluffy brush. This is Tapered Highlighter Brush by Sigma. I'm just dipping it in my loose powder. This is by Bobbi Brown again, and it is the retouching powder in the color Peach 4, and it looks like this. Focus. Now if you can see here, it already started creasing. That's why I'm just quickly gonna set my concealer. I'm just gonna go in and do my brows. I'm gonna be using Precisely My Brow by Benefit, and I am in the shade 4.5. Also, I'm going to be using Brow Zings, again by Benefit, and it's in the shade 4. I'm just going to be using the powder side from this little palette. Wow, look at that. It makes so much of a difference. So now I'm gonna go in with Brow Zings powder. I'm gonna take the same brush from the palette and dip it in the powder side, not the cream side. I would just, for the front, fill in and sort of almost give like the gradient effect. Benefit, I love Benefit. Amazing products, especially brow. I'm such a big fan. This video, by the way, by no means is sponsored. This is all how I feel about the products. I'll always keep it very real with you guys. I just want to be very loyal and honest to my audience. Let's just sip some coffee again. Guys, I am going to be using two eyeshadow palettes today. Mainly this one by Urban Decay. It is the Heat palette. Palette looks like this. Amazing autumn fall vibes going on. This palette again by Urban Decay. This is the Born to Run palette. This palette, oh my god guys, look at that. I love this palette so much. It is well loved, as you can see. I'm gonna take a big fluffy brush like this. This is the Morphe R37 brush, and I am gonna be taking the color Sauced, which is this color right here. Keeping it mainly on the outer part of our eye, depositing most of our product on the outer part, and then bringing whatever is left in the crease. I'm gonna go in with a slightly smaller fluffy brush, and it is the Morphe M513, and I am gonna go in with this shade, which is Low Blow, placing it exactly in the same area but a little lower than that. Give a special welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much, guys, for all your kind words and support. Especially love on my last video, which was the face shave video. If you're new here, I just shaved my face for the first time ever. If you would like to check it out, I would link it up somewhere here, and you can go and check it out after this video. It was so much fun filming that video. This is how our eyes look. I'm gonna go in with Morphe M433. It looks like this. I'm gonna go in with the color Cayenne, which is this color right. These shadows, oh my god, they just blend like a dream. I just love Urban Decay. Does some amazing eyeshadows. I'm focusing it mostly on the outer V of my eye, as you can see. Depositing the product in circular motions, and once I know I barely have anything left, I'm just gonna take it in my crease. Keep building the color till I am happy. Going in with Low Blow again, which is this color. Very slightly go over top, so the colors are marrying as we go along. I'm going to use this color from Born to Run palette. This is the color Baja. It calls my name out and loud. I'm taking it on a Real Techniques Essential Crease brush, a very tiny, very precise, very beautiful brush. This color, honey, is very pigmented, so I'm just touching it barely on the brush. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna place it very slightly. I'm barely touching my eyeshadow. Can you see? Just gonna take a clean blending brush and tone it down a bit so that it all looks really nice and blended. So pretty. Look at that. So pretty. So autumn, so fall vibes. I'm loving it. I'm just gonna take MAC 239 and gonna use Hey Devil. I'm not going and touching any of my transition shades. I'm just keeping it and laying the product on the eyelid. Now I am just going to go in with brush we used our second transition with, and just going in the crease so there are no harsh lines. From the Born to Run palette, I'm going to be going in with the shade which is Ignite. It is so pretty. Look at that. I'm just going to use it in my tear duct, giving a pop of color there. Eyeliner, I'm using Bobbi Brown Black Ink liner. I'm using the brush Sigma E05, but I don't want to go very dramatic. I want a little bit of definition with the liner. So here I've done my liner, guys. Now I am just gonna go in with this felt tip liner by L'Oreal. It's the Perfect Slim Super Liner. This is such a good technique. Whenever I use a gel liner and then go in with a felt tip liner, the liquid, it just clings onto the liner so beautifully. The lashes I'm gonna wear is Samantha 7 by Huda Beauty. So guys, here I have the lashes on. As you can see, very dramatic. It has just taken the whole eye look to a next level, honey. Now we'll be moving on to our base. I am going to be using Wonder Glow by Charlotte Tilbury. It's going to be using this a little bit. I am also going in with Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enrich Face Base. Look how glowy our skin looks already. I'm not taking it all the way towards my under eye area because otherwise it's gonna get really oily. We don't want our concealer to be creasing, so I'm mainly focusing on my face and my cheeks, and look at that glow. I am loving it. I'm actually loving how the eyes turned out. What do you guys think? Let me know. I'm thinking of doing a burgundy eye makeup look as well for fall using Huda Beauty's Obsession palette. Bought it recently, haven't used it. It is such a pretty vibe going on here. Look at that. Let me know if you would like to watch one. Comment down below. For foundation, I am going to be using Born This Way sand and 1 pump of warm beige. My Bobbi Brown foundation brush. So what are your plans this season? I know Christmas and Thanksgiving and all the festivities are so different. Like it was Eid and now we have Diwali around the corner, then we have Christmas and everything. I don't know, it is just so different this year. So what are your plans? How are you gonna celebrate Christmas and New Year? What do you plan to do? Let me know in the comments below. And honestly, I mean, I didn't even notice, but the foundation lighting so nicely on my face because I just shaved, and this is the first time after that I'm doing my makeup like with a full ass coverage foundation. And for concealer, I'm using 24 Hour Smooth Wear Concealer by MAC, and it is such a lovely concealer, and I am in the shade NC40. I'm going in with the mini beauty sponge. This is by Real Techniques. I love these sponges so much for all the curves and the smaller inner corners of our eye and the face. This works like magic. I will just go ahead and use the same powder I used to prep my eyelids. Basically on the areas where I tend to get oily. For contour, I'm using Hollywood Contour Wand by Charlotte Tilbury. Very slightly like this. Higher point of our cheek. I'm not gonna contour my forehead because I don't have a forehead, I have a 2-head. Using a Real Techniques sculpting brush. Just added some dimension and some color to our face. So I'm just gonna be using this bronzer. This is by Rimmel. Such a pretty warm orangey shade. Because the contour is quite brown, I just want to warm it up just towards the outer contour. I want this look to be a very chiseled look. I'm gonna be using some blush, Pinch Me by MAC Cosmetics, Morphe M530. I'm gonna move on to my lower lash line now quickly. Sauced, doing quite a blown out lower lash line, and this trick, guys, you know, it actually helps in hiding any creases you might be having underneath your lower lash line. It's such a good trick. I find it so helpful, and also it gives the eyes such a sultry look. I'm going in with the start of the Saw Baja from the Born to Run palette. Guys, I'm loving the whole eye look. It looks so damn pretty. Okay, we are just going to do our lips, put some highlighter, mascara, and call it a day. I am loving this look. I am loving this look. I am loving this look. I'm using this lip sheet pencil by Charlotte Tilbury. It's in the shade Foxy Brown. Oh my goodness. This is such a pretty color. This is the liquid lipstick Icon by Huda Beauty. I'm gonna use Laura Geller Gilded Honey and just look at that. And for mascara, Damn Girl by Too Faced. Give Me Brow by Benefit. It's in the color 5. I like to feather it up just from the front, like so. It gives a really nice feathery effect from the front, if you know what I mean. So yes guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching the tutorial with me. I just so love how it is all come together. Hope you enjoyed and you like this makeup tutorial. If you did guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.